morning, dear babies and my lovely children of Podar International School. A very, very warm welcome to everybody, every child in this room. You must be thinking that we've forgotten. What have we forgotten? Your day, your special day? No, no, no. We can never forget your special day. And today is dedicated to you children. And happy Children's Day. All my family members of Podar, all the staff members have come together and have put up a great show for you. So gear up and enjoy this amazing show of Podar International School.
क्या करे क्या ना करे ये कैसी मुश्किल है कोई तो बता दे इसका हल ओ मेरे भाई.
It's very easy to plan a curriculum for them.
Swear it. Easy to plan a lesson for them.
And conducting exams is the easiest.
True, guys, but to plan for Children's Day entertainment for them?
That too, virtual, extremely challenging.
अब तो कोई देवी प्रकट हो और हमें राह दिखाए.
पर देवी को प्रकट करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे?
आसान है. हवन करेंगे, हवन करेंगे,
हवन करेंगे, हवन करेंगे,
हवन करेंगे, हवन करेंगे, हवन करेंगे.
ओए हवन कुंड मस्तों का झुंड ओए हवन कुंड मस्तों का झुंड ओए हवन कुंड मस्तों का झुंड सुनसान रात अब ऐसी रात रख दिल पे हाथ हम साथ साथ बोल क्या करेंगे.
Oh, teachers, tell me what you want me to do for you.
No, 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 no. We want to do something.
You want me to do something for you or for me?
No, no, no. Not for you.
Then for whom?
We want to do something for the children.
Then do it. Who's stopping you to do something for my children? Teach them, conduct exams, do everything for them.
No, no, no. We want to do a program for Children's Day.
Teachers हो ना? Confuse करते रहते हो. Let's come to the point. You all did Bollywood Havan. So I can give you Bollywood characters.
Will do. Something is better than nothing.
Sing along with me. Om Shanti Om Shanti Shanti Om.
देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी. देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी. दिल पर है दिलकश है दिलदार नजारे हैं आज जमीन पर उतरे कितने सितारे हैं अगलो होश नमी दानम हम है दिल है और जानम बस दीवानगी 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 है ना कोई रहसन ना रहबर ये इल्जाम लगे किस पर बस दीवानगी 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 है All the hot girls put your hands up and say Om Shanti All the boys come on make some noise and say Om Shanti
Hey, Devi, did you call us?
Yes, you have to do what the teachers tell you to do.
Okay. So now they will take our class.
Class ले या PT कराएं. My blessings are always there with you.
आइला देवी गायब जादू जादू It's magic, it's magic. Let's go. It's magic, it's magic. It's magic, it's magic.
It's magic, it's magic. I got the vibe that you need. It's magic, it's magic. I got the vibe that you need. Chale, kale, hota hai jo, sab khel hai. It's magic, it's magic. It's magic, it's magic.
ए हो गया तेरा आली रे आली आता तुझी बारी आली आईच्या गावात आता माझी सटकली आईला लायन
Enough.
We will have to call the Devi back to give us some other characters.
हवन किया तो बॉलीवुड कैरेक्टर्स दिया. So now shall we sing some nursery rhymes to call her?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are, how I wonder what you are.
Up above the world so high, like the diamond in the sky, like the diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Jack and Jill went up the hill. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. परी हूँ मैं, परी हूँ मैं.
I knew you will call me again. Since you enchanted the nursery rhymes, I shall send fairy tales and cartoon characters now. And yes, I will be there throughout as I see you are lost without me around.
Thank you so much,
Fairy Godmother.
Begin the story.
Once upon a time.
Wait, not always once upon a time. In recent times.
Wait, I am Alice. But where am I? I am supposed to be in Wonderland. I am lost. And who are you, lady in the blue dress and the crown?
I am Elsa. Don't cry. I'm
boy.
I may be tiny, but great things come in small packages. I am Shinchan, but even I don't know. Where are we?
Children, you are at the right place at the right time. Me and my wonderful messengers, the masters of the online world, will take you through this journey, and you will no longer be confused or lost. You all are on Podar International School, Virtual Land. Enter your time.
What? We have to enter our tiles?
Tiles? There are tiles on the computer now? I thought there were tiles only in my bathroom and the kitchen.
Shinshan, can I say something really crazy? Can we be friends? Will you share your user ID and your password with me?
Do you think I will? But yes, you can share your username and password with me. Yes, me. I promise. I will not send anything nasty on your behalf.
Shh. You can't share your details with a big fat faced boy you just met online. The virtual world is very different, Alice. Shh.
Hey, what happened to him?
He is frozen.
Elsa, you cannot use your magical powers here. Unfreeze him.
Oh no, boss baby. I'm helpless. I can't unfreeze people. Fairy mother, please give me a solution.
The virus is around. Wear your gloves and protect yourself so you don't come in contact with anything. Protect yourself and nobody will freeze.
Intelligent.
Baby Bear, you spoke?
Not me. It's Papa Bear who spoke.
Papa Bear?
Mama Bear and Papa Bear are sitting with me with their porridge.
Porridge? How boring. Hey, pizza is there, Owen.
Shinshan, shh. Baby Bear, why are they with you?
Monitoring me is their prime duty, whether I like it or not.
I have to see what my child is doing on the screen. I continuously keep a watch on him.
I also keep a watch on him.
So sad, Baby Bear. I have complete freedom here. I do whatever I want to do.
I'm still really confused. I know only about Wonderland. Can somebody please tell me about Virtual Land?
Yes, I will tell you. Let me begin. First, we have our magical tiles. They keep us engrossed all through the day. Well, these are not just ordinary squares. These are all colorful spaces filled with activities, virtual field trips, information areas, competition zones, celebration windows, and of course, our one and only outlet to meet and chat with our dear friend every day. Even though we may be in our pajamas at the bottom, as they don't show up in the camera.
Well, Alice, I will tell you how to be a good digital student. Well, here, adhere to the rules and regulations. This is how it looks like.
Hey, you all are back. Online confusion. What did I do? Oh, what did I click? Where did I click? How did I click this? What did I do? Oh God, what a confusion. As usual, online confusion.
Hey, Kalamali bhai. With the one click, change the screen. With the one click, you can shut it up. With the one click, you can expose your face.
Okay, explain the icons now.
I am the icons. And I am an announcement now. I pop up anytime on your time. Be it 9 a.m., 2 p.m., even 12 p.m. and 1 p.m. Teachers now, they don't sleep. They keep on worrying me. And you know what I tell you? I tell you, be ready with this at 9 a.m. Aha. And be ready with what? Be ready with the toothpaste. Not to brush your teeth. To tell you separation techniques. आपके नमक, आपके टूथपेस्ट में कितना नमक है? Or I tell you to come with a chocolate and do what? To learn the fat content in that. So I tell you all. But they also call me a stimulating environment. Aha.
Hello, what are you? How are you? What are you? What are you? How are you?
ए फटा स्पीकर, ये गोलमाल की शूटिंग नहीं चालू है, समझा? तू माइक बाबा है, माइक बाबा ही रहे।
अहिला, ये बोलेगा?
I don't want to hear your funny songs, humming, pressure cookers, doorbells, and your parents from the background. So mute me when I'm not needed.
You have to mute him, but you don't have to off me. I'm the next icon camera. And you know, I'm here to facilitate better communication. But remember, when you put me on now, you are seen. So don't yawn or don't make funny faces. And the 2 minutes Maggie, don't eat. Don't eat. Teacher will come to know.
Hey, wait, man. All you funny icons and boring figures. Alice, let me teach you what it's all about. Okay, I'll teach you all about the front. I am an expert in it. See, for cameras, you can always say, ma'am, my camera is off because I was switching a window, you know. For mics, they can always be unmuted for some fun noises in the background. But when a question is asked, the mics can stop working. Lagging internet is the best thing to say over here. And the most fun part, you make these private chat rooms, you know, where you can discuss while you're in class. And if all of this fails, the best thing to say it, sir, actually there is a power cut in my area, you know.
Oh my God.
Really, Sinchana, you think that you are too smart and you are boring, huh? We are one step ahead. I am Rajnikant Chetty, the robot, employed 24/7 to keep a check on you naughty kids. Here is a record of all the mischief Sinchana has done in the past 6 months. Day 7, he created 3 private chat rooms with 6 children and was caught at 12:40 p.m. Day 15, he said his camera wasn't working in the assembly, but worked perfectly in the PE. Day 45, he said his mic was not working, but software showed the mic was working absolutely fine. During the exam, he locked out 5 times because he was trying to switch the windows. He was also seen eating Maggi of a recorded lecture. Heights of bad behavior.
Please stop. I'm sorry. Please don't embarrass me further.
Oh yeah, kid. You think you're too smart, huh? The kid is sitting with Amma and Appa. What do you have to say, huh?
I'm a good boy. I don't have any options. Mama, Papa, always there with me. So I'm a good boy.
Haha, yes. We are there to watch on you because we care for your future. Yes?
You dare do anything else?
Go starting, Papa. Go starting.
Hey, baby Bara, don't change the topic. जहां तेरी ये नजर है, मेरी जा मुझे खबर है. Mind it.
जहाँ तेरी ये नजर है मेरी जान मुझे खबर है जहाँ तेरी ये नजर है मेरी जान मुझे खबर है बच ना सका कोई आए कितने लंबे हैं मेरे हाथ इतने देख इधर यार ध्यान किधर है अरे देख इधर यार ध्यान किधर है जहाँ तेरी ये नजर है मेरी जान मुझे खबर है
The fun can go on and be never ending because at Podar we believe that fun is the root and is the underpin of everything that we do. Above all, today's message is to be good digital citizens. The virtual land at Podar is the best of all. It's unique because whatever we do, will say. Love is the key of everything that we do. Love is the tab. Love is there in every program that flashes on your screen. And having said this, you all children are my life. Happy Children's Day. Have a great day. Enjoy yourself. Have fun.
इतनी सी हंसी इतनी सी खुशी इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशिया इतनी सी हंसी इतनी सी खुशी इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशिया लगे लगे पाँव से आए हौले हौले जिंदगी होठों पे उंगली चढ़ा के हम ताले लगा के चल तुम तराने चुप के गाए आधी आधी बात रे आजा दिल की ये ज़मीं थोड़ा सा तेरा सा होगा थोड़ा मेरा भी होगा अपना ये आशिया इतनी सी हंसी इतनी सी खुशी इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशिया ना हो चार दीवारें फिर भी झरोखे खुले बादलों के होठों पे शाखी हरी पंखा चले ना हो कोई टकराए अलमसी कराते चले प्यार के सिक्कों से महीने का खर्चा चले दबे दबे पाँव से आए हौले हौले जिंदगी हाथों पे उंगली चढ़ा के हम ताले लगा के चल तुम सुन तराने चुप के गाए आधी आधी बाटले आजा दिल की ये जमीन थोड़ा सा तेरा सा होगा थोड़ा मेरा भी होगा अपना ये आशिया इतनी सी हंसी इतनी सी खुशी इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का ख्वाबों के बिंदु से चल बनाए आशिया इतनी सी हंसी इतनी सी खुशी इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का ख्वाबों के बिंदु से चल बनाए आशिया